Sometimes you have to encourage yourself, and sometimes you have to speak victory during the test. No matter how you feel, say the word and you will be healed. Speak over yourself, encourage yourself in the Lord. Oh, oh, sometimes you have to speak the word over yourself. Depression's all around, but God is present help. Well, the enemy created a war, but remember giants, they do fall. Speak